Hi guys, welcome back to Digital Pixel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper boat and a paper boat canoe. They're basically the same. Right now I'm starting out with the boat. Okay? Oopsies. You want to make it at the correct angle. Fold it, crease it. Okay, so now, see this? You want to do this side. Yeah. Great. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, finally. That was a little tricky. So, you see this? The flaps right here? You want to make sure there's no flap side on this. Okay? So then, do it to the middle. Ouch. Sorry about that. Okay. And now, see the flaps? Take one of them down. Get it? Okay. See? Okay, so now this, okay, fold this side up, and the same on the other side. Oh, and make sure to crease it, and feel free to pause the video whenever you need to. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, here's the boat. Let me just give it some more space. Sometimes it might be better. Okay, and here's the canoe. The same step as the same thing as last time, and okay, basically the same thing as last time. Okay, so I'm gonna go quick until I get to the difference part. Okay. Okay. Crease it. Oopsies. I think I folded it too many times. Don't listen to that step, okay? So, you see? Okay, let me do this again, okay? So you want to fold it this way, okay? And then this way, okay? And then crease it so then there's a line. And you see I made that extra step. Don't do that, okay? So, open it up. You see the flap? Okay, yeah. It's the same step as the last time. I'll tell you when there's a different step, okay? That other part I just messed up. Wait, oops. Forgot about that. Okay. don't listen to that step, okay? That was just another mess up. Okay, I'll tell you when I get to the part that you want to go to, okay? So, that other part was just another mess up. Sorry about that, okay? See this? You can open it again, okay? So now, boom. Okay, and okay, so see this? Voila, again. Okay, so now we want this folded down like this when you make a normal paper boat, okay? So we're gonna tuck that under, and voila! That was just the step. And bye, thanks for watching.